underwater forest secrets of kelp. Did you know there are forests beneath the ocean? These underwater forests aren't made of trees. They're made of kelp. Kelp is a type of seaweed that grows in dense underwater forests stretching as high as 45 meters tall. It sways gently with the ocean currents, creating a mesmerizing sight. Kelp is not just beautiful. It's vital for marine life and even for us. Kelp forests provide shelter and food for countless marine creatures. Fish, sea otters, and even sea urchins depend on kelp for survival. These forests act like underwater homes, offering protection from predators and a place to lay eggs. Without kelp, many of these creatures would struggle to survive. Kelp is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Some types can grow up to half a meter in a single day. This rapid growth makes it an excellent source of algae's oxygen, helping to balance the planet's atmosphere. These underwater forests also protect coastlines. Kelp reduces the energy of powerful ocean waves, preventing erosion and protecting beaches. In many coastal areas, kelp forests act as natural barriers, shielding communities from storms. Kelp isn't just important for the ocean, it benefits humans too. It's used in products like toothpaste, ice cream, and even medicine. The next time you brush your teeth, you might be using a product that contains kelp. Some people even eat kelp. It's rich in nutrients like iodine, calcium, and vitamins, making it a popular ingredient in dishes around the world. Have you tried sushi wrapped in seaweed? That's kelp's close cousin. Sadly, kelp forests face many threats. Rising ocean temperatures, pollution, and overfishing disrupt their delicate balance. When sea urchins overpopulate due to a lack of predators, they can eat entire kelp forests, leaving behind green underwater deserts. Conserving these underwater forests is crucial. Restoring kelp forests not only helps marine life but also contributes to a healthier planet. Many scientists and organizations are working hard to protect these incredible ecosystems. Imagine swimming through an underwater forest, surrounded by the gentle dance of kelp and the vibrant life it supports. These forests remind us of the beauty and importance of nature beneath the waves. Protecting kelp forests ensures that future generations